me tell you something funny. To do what I do, you gotta be cold-blooded. So becoming Snowstorm actually makes sense for me. And while I can be a total bee lizard when I wanna be, I swear I am just the sweetest thing.
Sweetest thing, like the movie?
Like Cameron Diaz.
I started working when I was 18, and it took a tight 2 years to see myself on the screen. Cause being a woman, I've had to snowplow my way into a male-dominated industry. Things haven't always been pitch perfect.
Pitch Perfect. Anna Kendrick.
I've had some failures, but bombing wildly has made me fearless. So this song goes out to my favorite fearless lady, Nicole, who has had more famous exes than Nick has had baby mamas.
Oh!